I'm Max Dalton, and in this video, I'll show you how to remove someone from your Spotify family plan. Are you managing a Spotify family plan and need to make changes to your current lineup of members? Whether it's due to changes in your household or simply needing to update who has access, removing someone from your Spotify family plan is something you need to know how to handle. Step 1. Open a web browser, navigate to Spotify.com, and then sign into your account if prompted. You'll land on your Spotify home screen. Step 2. Click your profile icon at the top of the screen to open a menu, and then click Set up your family plan in this menu. The Manage Your Spotify Family Plan screen opens. Step 3. Scroll down to find the Plan Members section and then find the person in your Spotify family plan that you want to remove. Click that person. The next screen shows you options for that user's Spotify account. Step 4. Tap Remove from Plan. A window pops up letting you know that if you remove this person from your Spotify plan, they will no longer have access to Spotify Premium Family. Step 5. Tap Remove again. This user will be removed from your Spotify family plan immediately. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.